Hello, everyone in the First Family. I just wanted to give you a quick preview of our new First Lutheran School school app and show you some of the features to help you navigate it as you download it. It's really a pretty simple user face, but I just wanted to point out a few of the highlights and also just a few things to help you find the most success with the app. So when you open up the app, this is what it looks like, at least on the iPhone version. The Android version should be set up the same, but I don't have any Android devices to actually pull it up on to confirm that. But just as a so you know, looking at it, so this is your home screen when you go in the app. The features that are on right now for next school year, we'll be able to add a few more features in and things, but to get started, just a couple of things. Calendar, if you click on calendar, that's linked to our school Google Calendar on the school website. So it will show you upcoming events that are on the school calendar. Of course, with the way we're in right now, there's really nothing on that school calendar because everything's very unknown. Also, you have the newsletter button. This is set up that it will be linked to our Friday notes that we send out, so that way they'll automatically populate in there, so that way you can always have access to the Friday note from the newsletter app. Notifications, I'll show you how to set up your notification settings here in just a second, but this would be where you go where teachers can send class notifications, office can send notifications. As staff, we've been sending some test notifications. They sent some test ones when they set up the app. Just a note, any notifications that have been sent before you downloaded the app will not show up here. So you will not see all these test notifications as they come out. Contact teachers, this is really handy for you. If you click contact teachers, you get our full teacher list. And so, for example, we'll click on Mrs. Ballard. And here you have visit webpage, which takes you directly to her blog page on the school website, and also email. So this is connected to every teacher's First Lutheran email address. So again, you touch that, it pulls it right up for you. You can send your email right from your phone straight to teacher that way. Also, with that, on there, of course, is Mrs. Guillory, and I'm there, same way. Our emails are right there, so that way if you need to get a hold of us, and I'll also show you other ways to get a hold of the office here in a second. This is going to be very handy. I know we only have a couple weeks of school left, but just for these last couple of weeks, again, an easy way to get to the Google site with all of the at-home information. So the AMI info link, if you click that, that takes you straight to our Google site that we have up and running. And again, up here at the top, you can select to get to all the tabs that are on the Google site, so that way you can get to each teacher's information. So hopefully that will be helpful for you for these last couple of weeks. Classroom updates, again, that will eventually take you to every teacher's webpage or things. Right now, it's pretty much going to give you the exact same thing that's on the AMI info, because most of the teachers have the same page linked there. Also, for next year, we'll be able to add in buttons where you can report an absence by email straight from the app, so that way you don't have to call into the school office and things like that to report an absence. You'll just fill out the form and it will send an email straight to the school office to report that absence. When you click the three bars over here, these are some of the other really cool features. This is especially great if maybe you don't have social media accounts. When you click on our social media, you should be able to see our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube channels to see everything that we have up. So for example, if I click on Facebook, it should bring up the First Lutheran School feed. So you see everything that is up there. Same for Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. It takes you to our channel. Again, this is a great way if you are looking for videos right now from any of your teachers. Again, they pop up there. You can go to a playlist, because each teacher's video should be going into their playlist if they're setting things up that way. But again, that's another great feature for you as well. Contact Office, again, this is, you all know how to find us, but it gives us the map Email goes straight to Mrs. Guillory, which of course then she can forward it on to me. But just so you know, if you click email, it does pull up Mrs. Guillory's email on that. And then phone, again, you can push phone and call straight to the school number through that way. So if you misplace the school phone number, you can call through the app. Visit webpage takes you straight to the First Lutheran School webpage, and again, you can click on any link. Use the menu. Everything, it's fully functioning the way that the app normally, or the school webpage normally would on a mobile device. So you can still find any resource on the school website, again, through that link right there without pulling up the separate school website. Notification settings, this is going to be your most important to set up. It defaults to that all of your notifications are turned on. So turn off any that you don't want to receive. So you probably only want to receive notifications for the grades that your children are in. So if I had a 3-year-old preschool, I would turn off all of them except for 3-year-old preschool, or other, if I had a 2nd grader and a 6th grader, I would only want those 2 grades on. We will also use this app for summer care communication with our families. So if you plan to be enrolled in summer care, you might go ahead right away and sign up for either the early childhood or the elementary summer camp summer care notification settings. So that way you don't forget to go in and do that. And then if you make any changes, make sure you click apply settings here at the bottom. And you're set up to receive notifications. So then that way, whenever teachers send out those notifications that I showed you on that home screen, you'll only get the notifications that are related to your teacher. We have different options for other things that we can add into this for next school year. We would love to get your feedback on anything that you would like to see us able to do through an app. School app. It may or may not be possible based on the level that we're set up for. Right now we're using this on a 60-day free trial that we have with the app company. It's our intention to continue using it, but as long as everyone finds it helpful and useful. So with that, let us know. Reach out if you have any questions. Spend some time exploring the app. Get it set up. And we're really excited. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.